Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to pay with PaySafe card on Brawl Stars. So if you want to do this, first of all you have to check the availability, ensure that your PaySafe card option is available in your country. Not all regions support this payment method in Brawl Stars, so you can check this by attempting to make a purchase on this game, right? So first of all you have to open your Brawl Stars here, navigate to the shop section, tap on the shop icon and select the game, pack or item you wish to purchase. During checkout, look for this option to add a PaySafe card. If it appears, you can proceed. If not, it indicates that this option is not available in your country or region. If you have a PaySafe card account, log in into when prompted during the payment process. If you don't have any account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Follow this on-screen instruction to finalize your purchase using the PaySafe card, right? And this is another thing, that if you manage multiple accounts, ensure you are logged in into the correct spell cell ID before making purchase. Thanks for watching this video. If you need any help, let us know in the comment box. Subscribe.